Welcome back to my channel, Quiz Arena, Birds of the World Quiz. Can you match bird to continent?
Emu lives in Australia. Bald eagle belongs to North America. Kiwi is found in New Zealand, Oceania. Toucan lives in South America. Secretary bird comes from Africa. Snowy owl hunts in North America. Poo-poo mostly in Europe. Kakapo belongs to Oceania, New Zealand. Harpy eagle soars in South America. Shoebill found in Africa. Andean condor flies in South America. Golden pheasant native to Asia. Resplendent quetzal from North America, Central America. Cassowary lives in Oceania. European robin common in Europe. Great hornbill belongs to Asia. Macaws are from South America. Ostrich is native to Africa. Superb lyrebird from Oceania, Australia. Bearded vulture lives in Europe and Asia. Blue jay is in North America. African gray parrot native to Africa. He a parrot from Oceania, New Zealand. Red-crowned crane from Asia. Greater rhea lives in South America. Puffin nests in Europe. Crowned crane found in Africa. Kookaburra lives in Oceania, Australia. Scarlet ibis found in South America. Raven common in Europe.
Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.